Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about percent problems. We're going to solve each problem and round to the nearest tenth or tenth of a percent. So if I was given this problem, 16 inches is 35% of what? So 16 inches is 35% of what? Well, let's write that as an equation. 16 inches is equal sign 35% of multiplication what? X. Okay? Well, let's convert this, right? We convert our percent to a decimal. So 35% is 0.35 times X, and we have 16 inches here. If we divide both sides by 0.35, we're left with, well, what's 16 divided by 0.35? We have 45, this is approximate, 45.7143 rounded. Is approximately equal to X. We can write X to come first, and that's inches. So X can come first. X is approximately 45.7143 inches, right? But then I need to round that to the nearest tenth. So we look at the 7 and the 1. The 1 causes the 7 to stay where it is. So my true rounding here is X is approximately 45.7 inches. And there we go. That answers our question. 16 inches is 35% of 45.7 inches. So let's recap. We were asked a question, 16 inches is 35% of what? We then had to rewrite this. So we have 16, right as the equation, 16 inches is equal sign 35% of multiplication what? X. We then converted the percent to a decimal, being 35% as 0.35. I then divided that 0.35 both sides to get this rounded answer of 45.714 inches. Kind of fits right there. Wrote X coming first because that looks nice and neat. X is approximately 45.7143 inches. From there I had to round. Looked at round again, but there's tenth here. So the 7 and the 1 causes the 7 to stay where it is, right? Round down, if you will. So we're left with the final answer of X is approximately equal to 45.7 inches, and that answers our question. 16 inches is 35% of 45.7 inches.